Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we will explain how you can export a schedule from Primavera to Excel. So let's get started. First, open your Primavera P6 project. Go to the top menu and click File, then choose Export. A window will appear, select Spreadsheet XLS as your export format and click Next. Now choose the type of data you want to export, such as activities, resources, or assignments. Select Activities if you want the full schedule. Choose the project you want to export and click Next. In the next window, select or create a template to define which columns you want in Excel, like Activity ID, Name, Start, and Finish dates. Click Next, select where to save the file, and then click Finish. Primavera will generate an Excel file of your project schedule. Open it in Excel to view, filter, or format your data as needed. And that's it. Now you know how to export your project schedule from Primavera P6 to Excel quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.